This is Miss Grand International 2025. I am Nel2204. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Update for Miss Grand International 2025 as of 4 p.m. Grabing suporta ng mga Pinoy kay Emma Tiglao sa MGI competition. Look at the MGI Country's Power of the Year Facebook tally of votes. Ngayon nga ay meron na lamang tayong natitirang top 8 at kukuha rito ng top 4 para piliin kung sino ang mananalo. Para sa grupo ni Miss Indonesia at Miss Paraguay, we have 581,100 votes for Miss Indonesia and 711,000 Facebook votes for Miss Paraguay. At syempre, para naman sa grupo ni Miss Vietnam at Miss Myanmar, Miss Grand Vietnam with 2,229,000 Facebook votes and Miss Myanmar with 1,155,100 Facebook votes. Para naman sa grupo ni Miss Thailand and Miss Peru, Miss Thailand with 641,000 Facebook votes and Miss Peru with 400,200 Facebook votes. And now, for the Facebook tally of votes for the group of Miss Philippines and Miss Guatemala. Philippines with 5,052,000 Facebook votes and Miss Guatemala with 775,000 Facebook votes. At ito na nga ang resulta ng Facebook tally of votes for the Country's Power of the Year ng MGI as of October 17, 4:15 p.m. Lamang na lamang si Miss Grand Philippines na siyang nangunguna sa lahat. Kaya't patuloy nating suportahan ang ating pambato at abangan ang mga susunod na update. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe.